Jen. It's Thursday, which means A, it's August 1st. B, you've successfully, unsuccessfully moved to Arizona by now. And also, it's Common Application Opening Day, so today will be filled with me writing college essays. So excited. So that's fun. And to be entirely honest with you, this filming is not actually the 1st of August. It is still the 31st of July, which is Happy Harry Potter Day, which I didn't celebrate. But I thought it. I was actually about to start one of the puzzles your mom gave me, which is here. I'm actually sort of shocked that I'm going to do another puzzle because I just spent 12 hours at my grandmother's house trying to do a puzzle that my cousin Jessie bought her. It was Andy Warhol and psychedelic, and there were no straight lines, and we spent at least 4 of those hours working on the Coca-Cola sign this big. It was to the point where, where you have each piece, so you could fit the silhouette, and you have it in a box, little tray thing, and then you start sticking them all in there, hoping that one of them fits. Usually, it's the last one you didn't try in the box. And I know people say, oh, of course, it was the last one. No, but, it was the last one in the box. I tried all of them, and it was the last one. But you know what? A+ for Grandma, because she made me eat lunch because my stomach got loud. And, so I had a tuna sandwich, which there's always too much tuna for a sandwich when you take it out of the can or the bag, so I hold it. You take the 2 pieces and then you put the cheese on them and then you split the tuna in half and you eat them halfway, because then there's enough bread for everything. Also, it's an excuse to eat more cheese, which you can never go wrong with. And then she let me take a nap. Did I say that already? She let me take a nap. We like naps. And my neck didn't hurt too bad, which was good, because I've been having Moretti neck all day today. This makes me sore, up here. It's really sore, and I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Also, I'm wearing this shirt, which it's blue and pool looking, which describes the amount of tears that happened as I read the book. But you know what? In order to make the pain go away a little bit, they made it super soft. The only complaint I would have is that I didn't see a size smaller than a small medium. I'm teeny tiny, so it's all baggy, but I'm cool with baggy shirts. Someone as little as me, learns that small shirts are what's going to happen to you in life. We got that Blu-ray player installed that my parents went to get yesterday, so that's good. And I don't know. Fun fact, my dogs respond to the command, "excuse me," because my parents and I, when we go to walk past the dogs, but we can't walk past the dogs, we just bump into them until they move. Every time we bump into them, we say, "excuse me." So now when we say "excuse me," they just kind of move out of the way, which it's nice. That was an accidental trick we taught them, and it's good. I like it. Except Libby, you can kind of step over her. She's only this tall. You can't see my hands. She's this tall. Anyway, so you can just step over her, even though I'm not much taller, maybe by an inch or two. I don't know. I was contemplating going to get food today, but I was also going to go to the grocery store, but I can just get popcorn in the morning. I've got ice cream. And like 3 more episodes of Lost Girl, and then I'll watch Rizzoli and Isles, which I'm sure I'll like freak out and talk to you about tomorrow. And everything, which a lot of stuff happened today. But I've washed the cigarette smell out of my hair because my grandfather smokes in the house at my grandma's, which is fine. Well, he doesn't smoke so much in the house anymore. He goes out in the garage to smoke. But the whole house still smells like clean cigarettes. So, you know, you come home and you smell like it. Also, her floors are really dirty because of it. So, when we were kids, we used to have to either wear socks, or halfway through the visit, she would put us by the sink and have us wash our feet in the sink and then go run around again so we wouldn't track dirt in the house so much. Fun times, fun times. Also, I went to go pick up Jessie, and Grandma kept being like, "Oh, this is a 4-way stop, you're fine to go, it's okay." And I'm like, honey, this is the neighborhood of old people that think that there is no reason for them to wait for you because you're young, and also they're speeding because how much time do they have left, you know? The crotchety old guy who goes faster than everybody else. That is the neighborhood my grandmother lives in. She lives in the old people neighborhood. I'm not taking the chance. Also, I can read speed limit signs. Usually it's 25 in here. Am I crashing into stuff? No. Am I getting a ticket? No. Am I reading the sign? Yes. Also, I know how to park the car, or my truck, in tight spaces. I know. I've done this before. I've driven my truck for almost a year now. By the 15th, it will be a year since I've been driving that truck. I know how to work it, thank you. You do not need to tell me that, oh, it's going to be a tight space and you have to back out. Funny, I figured that out. Also, I was in your apartment complex, which is the same distance as my aunt's. It's the same. Yeah. I am not 7. I'm literally driving the car. I have the license. You're passenger driving. Stop. Stop. Relatives. I don't think I have much else to talk about, and I don't feel like cutting this video very much, so I'm probably just gonna like watch it through and make sure it's okay. I don't know how to make an intro. I should work on that. Hey Shirley, if you're watching this, can you help me? Please. Alright, well, I guess everything happens for a reason or some shit, and I should go. Goodbye! Am I allowed to swear like that on the internet? Is that okay? I feel like that's okay. Is that okay? Yeah, whatever.